Hello, today I'm very happy to present you the all-new Seagull Red Star chronographs, column wheel chronographs with green dial, blue dial and black dial. This is the green dial version and they all have a stainless steel case with 38mm diameter and 18mm bandwidth. They all come with a quite big crystal bag, so you have the possibility to see the nice Seagull caliber ST19 at work. I will show you the caliber a little bit later. So this is the green dial. I especially like this color very much. Then the very elegant blue, dark blue dial. It's like a dark blue or petrol maybe dial with two cream subdials. Here you can see the color, quite nice, especially lies nice in the sunlight. The blue color here is just a protection. You can put it off. And this is the third version, the black dial. So black dial with two white subdials. Also very classic one, and all come with a crystal bag. And to show you the caliber, I opened one, and this is the caliber. Here is something very special. This is the all-new Swan neck fine regulation. So this is something new on this famous Seagull ST19 caliber. Hope you can see it. And here is the column wheel. This small wheel is the column wheel. And here is how it works. Start, stop, back. Difficult to choose your favorite color. I like the green one best, but also the blue and the black one are very nice watches. Enjoy!